This is a can of Strongbow Ultra Dark Fruit Cider, an alcopop for adults and also for Scottish children. This is a Guinness surger that is designed to liberate the nitrogen bubbles from your Guinness as you pour it using ultrasonic energy and make your Guinness more velvety. It works very well. Here's what we're going to try. We're going to try surging the cider. So I'm going to open this up and fold it back, and then you see a little port at the top here for drinking your cider out of. I'm going to line it up with this little port here. I'm going to get a glass ready. Let's see if we can make a huge mess. And I'm going to push the button at the back to activate this. Then I'm going to pour it into a glass. And as you can see, it is surging in little bursts of white bubbles. Well, it's very pinky bubbles. It's basically blowing all the carbon dioxide out of the drink, I think. Okay. Right, that's right up to the top. It's got a rare head to it, as they say. It's mostly foam now. Right, so let's just try drinking my way through the foam here. Mostly foam, very nice foam, but foam nonetheless. I'm getting down to the liquid now, and I can tell you, has it maintained its carbon dioxide? I think it may have liberated too much carbon dioxide out and flattened the drink slightly, but there we go. You can surge it, but it's probably not actually a good idea. This isn't going to put me off trying other drinks, though, in the surger, because it's worth doing.